My name is Jenny Cardenas. I am 26 years old. I am currently studying industrial engineering at UNAM. I work as an administrative assistant at Chemitronic and I really like playing sport and watching movies and television series. Is to negotiate and apply project management with multinational companies around the world as a consultant engineer. I need to update my one periodical, learn other languages like English or French, and I get experience with my own projects and ventures. Support creative to motivate people to carry out their activities in a more efficient and reasoning with me companies. I would like to design and implement efficient process with me environmentally conscious companies, making social investment and sharing the mission that evaluate of money cannot be compared with the evaluate of nature and Celsius is profit us.